We're here exploring in my own hometown area of the Twin Cities. This was an old plywood facility in Centralia that operated around the early to mid-20th century. At the 20th century's turn, and throughout, there was a ton of different lumber mill operations going on in this area between Chehalis and Centralia. By the century's end, only a handful of ruins remain of the old mills. But if you look around, you can still see some of the once great empire built on timber. Many rail spurs venture throughout the county's hills, and bits and pieces of old foundations can also be found of the former mills. See it right here? See how the street goes to the rounds?
Yeah.
This was a turntable. Wow. And they pulled it all up and built a neighborhood.
That's neat.
All through here, so that it's just part of the old railroad and lumber.
Should I keep going straight?
Go straight. There's a
go up to this next road
and make a right.
Right, yeah, and then it'll take us right back to this center.
Walk with a direct purpose to our destination. Right here, left side, the gate. Get right in there. Yeah. Wasn't this one of the rail grades that went past this place? Yeah, it looks like it on the overhead view.
So this is where you seen the guy walking?
Yeah, we were coming back out of this way. There was a guy and he was he's going the other way, eyes very, very fixed forward. I think he was... Today on Forbidden Explorers, we sneak into the plywood manufacturing facility over here on the north end of Centralia. Explorers! Me and Brandon left a big chunk of this unexplored because we wanted to save it, so we only checked out about 1/3 of it. Wow. I'm gonna. That's sad because it's the coupe too.
It could have been super dude.
Damn, man.
That's a coronet though. I bet that bumper's worth some money. I can't find those.
The engine gone?
Engine's left there.
Block's still there.
Block there.
Everything's stripped off it. Wow.
I seen the side and I thought, wow, that looks like a coronet. And it is.
Yeah, that bumper's worth something.
And my brother had the Coronet Super B, 1970 Coronet Super B, 383 Hemi. It was pretty cool.
Voila.
Oh, wow.
Like I said, we only did about this third. That's it. So we still have that whole wing to check out. It's a lot brighter in here than the last time we were here. There's a couple later 70s cars back there. Yeah, we didn't even go over this area last time we were here. Chair just chilling, eh? Yeah, we already saw these two. Though I don't remember the trunks being open the last time we were here. I think I would have remembered that pile of spray paint cans.
Yeah, that's a big pile.
I always like the old lamps. Though this place isn't as old as the original mill of the area. You can see the other mill active. It's right there. So we gotta be careful how much noise we're making. That's why I'm not turning the flashlight on. Check that out in a second. Piled a bunch of steel in the way of this area to kind of deter people from...
Yeah, going into the occupied zone.
I have some friends that claim to play airsoft in an abandoned mill, and I can only figure this is it, because all the other mills of the area are gone for the most part, minus some concrete ruin.
Yeah, I'm not people.
The only strange part about that is that I don't see any airsoft BBs. And because I don't see any airsoft BBs, that means there's another abandoned mill that they play airsoft at, and I kind of want to know where the hell that is. Oh, wait a second. I spoke too soon.
Oh, yeah, there you are.
There was an airsoft BB right there. I guess this must be it.
There's several over here.
I would expect to see a lot more. Hey Brandon, airsoft BBs. Looks like we found their play spot after all. They must not have gotten too trigger happy. I remember them telling me there was an active operation right next to it, and
That's that one.
that would fit the description. Looks like it's going to be pretty cool in there. I've been really interested in that stack building.
I just don't want to be seen.
Right. Move easy. Massive.
This is the oven.
Yeah.
This is where they, yeah, that's the oven.
Cool.
Wow, that's pretty fucking cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch what I'm shining lights, but I'll light her up a little bit for y'all. Ugly Roy and Ubley. They've been all over this place because I see their graffiti everywhere. I can't disagree. That seems like a recent thing. Wow.
Still got logs.
Just waiting for the day that it would start back up.
Yeah,
Never happened. See if I can get up here. while holding a camera. Yeah, there we go.
This would cut his log. Looks like it moves back and forth. What do you reckon all those shits are from? Dog or something? Human?
Wow, look at the hydraulic.
Brandon was saying this is like a lathe. Big one.
Oh yeah, it is. That's exactly what it is. They probably take the logs,
Maybe
they
debar.
round them up, then they could send it to the machine that cuts the laminate to make the plywood.
Yeah. That's the whole thing here then. You know?
Oh yeah. And that's a bigger one for bigger logs, basically.
Yeah.
Same thing, another huge lathe.
Exhaust stacks. The oven. Oh, head to the smokestack.
Well, that looks like a press, and that I think they pressed the plywood and it came off this thing,
Yep, on the
and then
declines.
would load out.
I head over to the smokestack.
Yeah, let's do that.
Pretty good way of doing it. Just waddle along, nice and easy. The front of a vehicle right here. Is it clear that way? Not too far away. And neither are we. Okay, we made it.
Did you hear somebody?
No.
That was you guys?
Yeah. Good. That fire brick?
Try and kill him.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Huge. Look at that. That doesn't look very old. So,
That's a pumpkin.
it's fresh.
Indeed it is. Only just started selling them
This
probably
is
too.
Brandon.
Oh.
We're not here to steal.
Was there someone here?
Yeah. We're not here to steal. We're just
here to explore.
we're just exploring it. Sorry
Okay.
to disturb you.
Didn't mean to scare you. That was a big, had a big belt on that sucker for something. See it? Maybe it's in the layers.
Into the tower ascent. It's right up there. Yeah, we made it to the coolest part. There's somebody home downstairs, so we probably won't stay too long because of that. But got to see the building I wanted to see.
We can get through. Okay. I hate to get there and have to turn around and come back and cross stickers.
Thanks for coming along on the Explorer, guys. I'll see you on the next video.